welcome to Nails by Joyce Truly. For today's set, I will be using this coffin set. As you can see, I already buffed down the nails to get out the shine. It's best that I suggest that you guys do this so that the gel can stick. Today I'm going to be going in with the Model 1's gel. This is the base coat. I will be applying a thin layer to all of the nails, and then you're just going to see me applying the base, and then I will be curing them for 60 seconds.
I found the street with a house in which she slept. On the stories for their name on every page. Cause I read to me you fall in love with me. I'll try again one day you'll see. Your hands on my pillow so I sleep.
So I will be using the Model 1's all gel colors. This is 0802. They don't actually come with names but with numbers. And the next one I'll be using is 0922. This is just like a neutral color and a white color to do the ombre effect. I will also be using a flat-headed brush. Number 8. You can use any flathead brush that you feel comfortable with. I will be using my own technique to make the ombre because it is on gel. It is very different when you're not using acrylic. I'm also using this wedge cosmetic sponge, and that's really all the materials you would need for this. So once your nails are cured with your base, you want to go in with the 0802 or any nude base you would like to use for your nail. So after you apply your first thin layer, you want to go ahead and cure for 60 seconds again. And then after that, you will be going in with your second coat once it's cured. So after 2 layers, this is what it should be looking like. You're gonna go ahead and cure this also for 60 seconds. Now we're gonna be getting ready to do the ombre. Now this I totally made up on my own. I watched a bunch of different videos, and you just have to do what works for you. I've seen people use just the sponge, the cosmetic sponge itself, but I found that it was a long process. So what I decided to do was just paint halfway up from the middle, from the center up where I want the ombre effect to be. And then I'm going to take my flat brush and just kind of paint outwards, paint down. You want to do this very gently, and don't be scared to just go ahead and go for it, because you're always able to just fix it. So I'm just going to continue doing this until I get the desired look. And then I will be taking my the cosmetic sponge, and just going ahead and dabbing it as well to just take the edge off of the white. So as you can see, this is what it will start to look like. And you just want to keep repeating the process until you get the desired look that you are hoping for. As you can see the difference between the other nails compared to that one. In the very beginning, it doesn't look as strong. We will be going in with the second layer, and everything will just come together. Okay, so I'm just going to continue doing the same technique for the rest of the nails, and then I will be back for the second layer so you can see what that looks like. So here's all of the nails after the first layer of doing the ombre. I'm already happy with how it looks, but of course I want everything to be more defined. So at this point, what I'm doing is going ahead and adding the base layer again so that it could be more, so you could see more of the beige. And still nothing changes. I'm just going to be applying from the bottom half to the middle and doing the same effect with the sponge, just so that I could take off the edge and blend everything in. So keep in mind, you cannot get discouraged when doing this effect. As you can see now, I'm going with the white without blending in. I blended in after adding the white, and as you can see, I have like a bunch of speckles and like air bubbles. You cannot get discouraged when doing this. It is not going to affect the design. Once you add your top gel layer, all the air bubbles are going to just disappear and everything's going to blend in beautifully. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep on going with the same techniques over and over again. You just have to have fun with it and play with it until you see, you know, your own desire and your own just your own happiness with your nails. I absolutely love how they came out. I just had fun with it, and yeah. Okay, so once you have your ombre that you are happy with, you want to go ahead and just go in with your top gel. I'm still using Model 1's top gel on top, and I'm just going to be doing another thin layer and going ahead and curing them for 90 seconds. So depending on the UV that you have, then you would know the time that you would be setting. Mine is not as strong, so that's why I'll be curing for 90 seconds, maybe even more. So this is the final look. The tutorial itself was the ombre effect, how I did the ombre. If you would like to see me do a full video adding rhinestones and how I bedazzle the nails, just comment down below and I will make a new video. Thank you for watching.